Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use RAGG. For those who don't know what is RAGG, RAGG is a very advanced tool which can generate graphs of mark sheets and results, etc. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to first install it. So open Google Chrome, then visit the following website. I'll provide the link in the description, zahidservers.github.io/rag. Okay, so this is RAG website, as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do is first download GoScript. Okay, so make sure you download the GoScript AGPL release, okay, for Windows 64-bit. Okay, RAG doesn't work with 32-bit Windows, so if you have 64-bit, then only it will work. For 32-bit users, you can't do anything in that. Okay, since I have already installed GoScript on my PC, I won't install it again. Um, then download RAG. Okay, so it will take you some 15 seconds to download depending upon your net speed. It's just 56 MB. uh, Keep it. So it will open in some time. Has Windows take its own time to scan and all that stuff. Okay, uh, click on run anyway. Then click on install for all users. This is recommended, but I will do only for install for me. I accept the agreement. Okay, so this is all about its information. So I am going to change the directory to F. Click on next. Create a desktop shortcut. Next. Click on install. So this is nothing but the user guide. All this will be available in the directory as well. Okay, click on finish. Okay, so as you can see, RAG is installed and it's open. So it will take a few seconds. So it's showing Matplotlib 3.1 is deprecated. So it's because, yeah, 9.53 version. But make sure you install the same Go script. Then it will take a few more seconds. This is usually slow only when during the install, else it will be faster. After once you open it, it will be faster. Okay. First time when you use it, it will be slow, but for the second, third time, and so on, it will be fast. Only after installation, it's a bit slow. So there are these two options. First is enter the text PDF file. Okay. So this is the file. Text PDF files are the files which do not have anything. Let me show you. Um, just let me show you a couple of files. Okay, so let me show you an example of text PDF. Open with Google Chrome. So this is a text PDF. You can see it has no rows and no columns. Okay, it's completely text. So this is a text PDF. While on the other hand, there are PDFs which are like Excels. They have rows, columns, okay, all that table stuff. So let me show you this. Okay, no, I don't have currently that. So like the Excel ones, there are two types of PDF. Okay, one is like Excel. So for that type PDF, you will go with option two. But for the PDF which only have text, we will go with one. Okay, so let me show you for one first. So enter the PDF name. So if the PDF name is in this directory only, like in the directory where you install it, then you don't need to type complete address. Else you need to complete address like this. Okay, RGG, and this is the complete file directory, and A2 is the name. Make sure don't add .pdf ahead. Okay, like it's A2.pdf, but I'm only typing A2. Okay, so it has shown you the result. Okay, you can see this. This is the number of failed students. These are the GPS. Okay, different GPS. Now what if you don't want to see CGI? Okay, there is a keyword.txt in the folder where you installed. So let me show you the folder where it's installed. So this is the folder where it's installed. So over here there is look for keyword. Okay, so this is keyword.txt. Okay, here inside is CGPI. If I change it to some other keyword like SGPI, it will show me SGPI. Okay, Make sure you don't delete the inverted commas, you only change site in the CGPI. Okay. Only you need to change this much. Don't delete the inverted commas. You can see how much faster it was now compared to the first time. Okay, so now let me try another with the option 2. Okay, so I have this output.csv. Let me check what happened. I don't understand. Okay, there was no output.csv. So make sure you type in the correct address. Okay, slash output.csv. Okay, so it has given me a list of columns. Okay, so for example, let me mm, get remark. So it has even given me a dictionary 63 are passed and one is failed. Okay, and it has also shown me a graph. Now when I close this, it will remain for 15 seconds, then this program will automatically close. Okay, that's how this program is designed. I didn't close it, it automatically closed itself because it was 15 seconds. Okay, now let me give you another example. Okay, so it's RGG slash let me give output.xlsx. So these are some of the columns it has. So let me type this over all grade. So this are the overall grades. You can see it has also printed the dictionary and this are the graph. Okay, you can even save this graph. Okay, here is a save figure option. You can save it in so many different formats, PNG, encapsulated PostScript, okay, and all this format. But I don't want to save it, okay, so I will not save it. Okay, again it will remain for 15 seconds and then it will close itself automatically. But let us close it right now only. So uh, let's now do for another file rgg slash output dot csv. Okay, now let us type cgpi. No, Okay, so as you can see, it supports all the kind of formats. Okay, and also there is a user manual. Where is that? You go inside it. There is a user. This is the user guide. If you have any of the errors, you can see from this and understand. Okay, so make sure you read this user guide also.